This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sharon Alexander. Super nice home within the Rolling Hills manufacturing home community with an in-ground swimming pool, great for those warm days ahead. Close to public transportation, shopping and restaurants. A large living room with newer carpeting flows into a nice dining room and nice kitchen with newer appliances. Primary bedroom has a full bath and the second bedroom has a Continental Bath. Laundry room with newer flooring. Heat pump with air conditioning, newer roof too. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Alexander at 503-666-2020.